Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing a clean, lossless file into your editor and immediately make a backup copy so you can always revert. Next, normalize to about -6 dB so the processing has headroom. This prevents pumping and distortion later. Open a spectral view and quickly scan for steady background noise, air conditioning, hum, or hiss to pick the right removal tool. Once you identify the noise, mark a small region that contains only that noise. This sample will guide adaptive reduction. Now apply targeted tools. For intermittent noises, use spectral repair and paint out those artifacts. Keep the gain reduction subtle so speech remains natural. For continuous background, capture a noise profile and run adaptive noise reduction, starting with modest reduction. Then increase until noise drops but artifacts remain minimal. Use a high-pass filter between 80 and 120 Hz to remove rumble. Make sure it doesn't thin the voice. Once done, compare bypass sections to confirm clarity without vocal damage. Finish by restoring presence. A light broadband EQ and subtle de-essing smooth sibilance introduced by reduction. Then apply gentle compression and a limiter to control peaks, and export at the original sample rate and bit depth to preserve quality. If you hear artifacts, metallic ringing or underwater swirl, back off the noise reduction, switch to multiband processing, or resample a cleaner noise print. Make sure to audition on headphones and speakers before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.